are they? Oh, look at that. That's the larva. See? It will become a butterfly. There's another one in there. These are monarch larvae.
Yes, they're kind
Let's
of
go over here and check it out. Look, there's so many in there. One here, one here. Did you see that, Tuko?
Yeah, but can I see all those?
You want me to lift you up? Look, there's another one over there.
And another one. And another one. And then on top.
Yes. Yeah, there's one on top. There's so many.
Yeah,
A fox elder bug.
Don't.
Look at all the different type of dragonflies.
Yes.
Do you want to check it out? We can take this and then go look for dragonflies.
Yeah, but we have flies.
That's how you have to find dragonflies, and you have to see which one it is, okay?
Yeah, but I want to see that one.
Okay, let's go find it over there. We have to go around and find dragonflies. Let's go.
That's you how you clean.
That's how you clean your shoes. Hmm? Are you trying to listen for the bird?
I saw number 2, Daddy. It's number 1.
Yes, it's number 1. Can you find?
Where's number 2?
Can you find the bird? Well, we don't see anymore. We're here for 1 minute, so let's go to the next one. Discuss with your family or friends what you think.
And number 2.
Yes.
Tristan, number 2.
And look, it says, discuss with your family or friends what you think that means. Why do we have that rule in our park? Can you tell me?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, but we need to find a number 10.
Yes, but this says that you can't take anything except for pictures. And don't leave anything behind, no trash, so we can keep it clean. Okay?
What?
Branches, leaves. What do you see?
Dad.
Can you
up
find
there.
3 different types of trees?
Yeah, up there.
Right there, that's right. That's one type of tree,
Yeah, but
right? Look at the leaves. Look at the bark. Look. You see the bark, right?
yeah, and I can.
You look at the bark, and look at the branches and the leaves. Can we find another one? We
puppy.
have to find 3 more.
Look at there.
Here's another one, Shayan. Look, this is a different tree, right?
Yeah, but we need to find. Yeah, but Daddy, we need to find a number 10.
Yes, we will. But look at this. Look at that. You got to look at the difference, right? Look at the bark here. Look at the bark there. This one has a different leaf, right?
Yeah, but.
And how about?
A big branch.
Yeah.
2, 3,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
5,
Tuku,
6,
want to do it?
7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Okay, now we have to skip to the next, right?
I did it, Daddy. I did it, Mom.
Okay, good job.
Yeah, let's go in the next one.
Different smell. Do you notice? Can you smell? What do you smell?
Whee!
Okay, can you smell with your nose? What do do you smell?
I smell cheese. Rose.
Smell like the grass?
Grass?
What do we smell?
Grass.
Come on, what can you find in this area? Can you find how many colors?
Green. Red.
Okay, good job. What else?
Yellow. Pink. Green.
Look, you can see how many colors over there.
Blue.
Blue, that's right.
That was so number.
Okay, it says find moss and listen on the tree. What does it remind you of? Can we find some moss? Here, I found some moss. Look over here. Look over here. There's some moss right here on the tree. You see that? Yes.
There.
Right here. Look. It's all moss.
You see it, Shayan?
You want to touch it?
Yeah, but mommy,
No,
we
that's okay. It's rest. Look here first. Come on here.
You wanna go find the frog?
It's a treasure hunt.
treasure hunt.
Yes. Can you find this treasure right here? It's here somewhere. You gotta find it.
Oh no, the treasure is gone.
It says look high and look low. So you gotta look for it.
But I can look for my eyes.
You gotta look in the ground.
There it goes. It's gotta be here somewhere.
Hey Daddy, look this. Hey Mommy, look. It says number 9.
Can you read what it says?
I found find mushrooms. There's
Search
a
on the ground for mushrooms.
But look, I found a number 1.
Or any other cool nature items?
Nuts. What else can we find? There is an acorn shell right here,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Can we find the acorn? This is the one right there. Look, this one right here.
Yeah, and the one right there.
What else can we find?
You find some mushrooms?
Hello.
Can we find them?
What kind of bugs are they? Water bug?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We found all the numbers.
See it?
Hi.
What is the frog doing?
He's relaxing.
And there's a shell over there.
They're relaxing in the water.